Well, since a few people asked for update on the old drag I made last year, it's been almost 2 years ago, really. It's finished. It's been working great. Been using it to clean out the garden, the horse corrals. It does a good job. I bent the pointed the angle iron back around. We do have a bend right here, but that's because the kids hit a big old rock with it. Thing must have been about a 100-pound rock. I'm amazed it pulled it up, but it did. I took the wheels off. This shaft right here is for the wheels. Took the wheels off because it digs a little deeper without the wheels on. But it's been great. I've been using it a lot. It's not the perfect thing, but it's homemade and does what it's supposed to do. I want to think about making a little attachment, a little something right here too, that can mount to the Farmall Cub, so I can use it behind the Farmall Cub too, but be able to lift it up. Right now, I have the kids pull it through the garden, and every now and then I have them stop and have to lift the back up in and have them pull out a little, because all the weeds and stuff get cut up in these tines or sporks or spikes or whatever you want to call them. But other than that, it's been good. Not gonna complain, because the metal I found I got for free, other than the angle iron. So this build really basically cost me nothing. But that's it. It works great. I also use it to smooth out the go-kart track when it's muddy and they ride and then it gets all rutted up. Probably work right here where all this is muddy once it dries out to do that, but I got a scraper blade on the Farmall Cub for that. But yeah, it works great. There's not much I can say other than it works great. It's not pretty, but it does its job. Thanks for watching.